Hybrid electric vehicle. It is a type of electric vehicle. In this video, let us understand hybrid electric vehicles, their advantages and disadvantages. A vehicle that uses two sources of energy, one is internal combustion engine as well as electric motor for propulsion, is termed as hybrid electric vehicle HEV. Advantages offered by HEV over conventional vehicles. Let us understand them point wise. First, HEV reduce energy loss by stopping the idling of engine, stop and start feature, as battery provides instant power. One example of stop and start use is at traffic lights. Second, presence of electric motor provides instant torque, that is torque assist or boost. Third, HEVs recover the kinetic energy that is normally lost during braking. This is regenerative braking. In conventional vehicles, whenever a brake pedal is pressed, it activates the friction brake and energy is lost in the form of heat. Next, fourth point, HEVs have smaller engine compared to conventional IC vehicles and run efficiently. Last, HEVs are driven in EV mode at lower speed, thus having zero exhaust emissions. Electric driving. HEVs have some disadvantages as well. Let us understand them. First, HEVs are unsuitable for speed driving and acceleration, that is, they have less power. Engine being primary source, neither engine nor motor is as big enough. Second, initial cost of HEV is more than conventional vehicles, that is, they are expensive to purchase. Third, HEV have more machinery than conventional vehicles due to two power sources. This results in more maintenance. Next, fourth point, extra weight is added due to presence of batteries, so this results in less fuel efficiency. Fifth, not completely exhaust emission free when engine is operating, that is, whenever engine is driving there are emissions, whereas whenever motor is in action there are no emissions. Just like any other thing, HEV also have advantages as well as disadvantages. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, do like, share and subscribe to Owlways. Also press the bell icon to get notified.